Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to yet another video ElectroPixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this 43-inch Samsung LED TV. Here in this TV the complaint double image. As we discussed earlier, these types of complaints are due to internal shorting in Gatesignals inside the glass panel. The shorting may be either from the left side or right side of the glass panel. If shorting is in any one side of the glass panel, then we can repair it using a temporary solution. If both sides of glass panel short, then it's not repairable. After this is not permanent solution. The permanent solution is panel replacement. See friends, here this TV comes with the 43-inch AUO Full HD panel. Since this panel comes with built-in TCON board, here first we are going to disconnect the right side FFC cable. See friends, after disconnecting right side, the left picture still shows the double image. Now let's disconnect the left side FFC cable and reconnect the right side cable. See friends, now the picture from the right of the display is crystal clear. So this means that the display problem is with the left side Gatesignals. So now using the taping method we are going to block the Gatesignals from the left side FFC cable. See friends, now we done the taping method. Now let's reconnect the FFC cable and check the picture. See friends, now picture comes without double image problems. So that's it, now the TV is repaired. Always remember that it's just temporary solution. Permanent solution is panel replacement, and we can't predict how long the display will work using this method. It completely depends on user luck basis. So that's it, hope you like this video. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching.